Hi, today I am going to make this beautiful bracelet. Here I'm using 6mm crystal bead and 1.5mm bead bead. Adjust the pearl at the tail of the third. Take 3 seed bead and 1 crystal bead die in order to string in the appropriate length. After string to the desired length, string 3 seed bead and then string a crystal bead. Have been stung back to the original position. The 2 rice bead stung through the wire. After adding 7 rice bead, string to the middle bead. Make it like this. We are done with this side, let's do the other side. This side is also done. String to the middle bead, count the 4 bead from the left. Add seed bead, crystal bead, and a seed bead. String to the middle bead, which is the 4th rice bead. In the same way, do the chain. We are done here, start on the other side. After the turn, tie a knot and cut the tail. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. In case if it is short, add some more rings. Take care.
Bye!